Bonjour à tous et bienvenue to my channel Le French Guru. In this video of our supermarket series, we'll discuss one more section that we learnt in part 1 of this series. Today's section will be les fruits, in which we'll learn the names of different fruits along with their gender in French. So, let's move to the section of fruits. Now, we can see a number of fruits here. Let's learn them one by one. The first fruit in our list is la pomme. La pomme, that means apple. L'orange. L'orange, that means orange. L'abricot. L'abricot, that means apricot. La pêche. La pêche, which means peach. Le citron. Le citron, that means lemon. Le melon. Le melon, that means melon. Les raisins. Les raisins, that means grapes. La fraise. La fraise, that means strawberry. La pastèque. La pastèque, which means watermelon. La papaye. La papaye, that means papaya. La lychee. La lychee, that means lychee. La mangue. La mangue, that means mango. L'avocat. L'avocat, that means avocado. Le kiwi. Le kiwi, that means kiwi. La banane. La banane, that means banana. And the last is la goyave. La goyave, that means guava. Now, before ending this session, let's have a quick recap of what we learned today. The first was la pomme, l'orange, l'abricot, la pêche, le citron, le melon, les raisins, la fraise, la pastèque, la papaye, le lychee, la mangue, l'avocat, le kiwi, la banane, la goyave. I hope you like this video and we'll meet very soon in our next video of La Sehaï de Supermarché. But don't forget to like, subscribe and share to stay tuned for more interesting videos. And if you want to learn about different sections of a supermarket, do visit the previous parts of this series. Till then, au revoir et bonne journée.